Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. Russell Brunson Bonus. Knowledge Business Blueprint Russell Brunson Bonus. Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, delivers a value-packed 47-minute video about how to use sales funnels to fill events. He goes into detail about using the success story funnel and case study funnel to convert customers. What's Russell's secret sauce? It all comes down to tapping into human emotion, and his lesson pulls on a lot of the same core concepts that Dean focuses on in Module 2. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. Additional bonuses right now: when you sign up for the Knowledge Business Blueprint, Tony and Dean will also throw in the following bonuses. The best of platinum, access to in-person trainings that only people who have paid $85,000 for live events have ever had access to. Funnels to fill, more, next-level marketing strategies from Russell Brunson. Live monthly training with Dean. Dean will be sharing his biggest breakthroughs live every month. Traffic bundle, get insider secrets from Dean's personal marketing team about how to drive more qualified traffic through your sales funnel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.